In the last 30 days, this product sold over $207,000 in the internet, and especially only on Amazon, not in Shopify stores, and this is on model of dropshipping. So I want to show you exactly this product, how much money it makes, and it's doubled for the profit. Alright, so as you can see, this one is cost only 15 bucks, and when you go to Amazon, you can find the same product which cost 69. And when I calculate, and you can see it by yourself if you go to Amazon and put this keyword, when I calculate 69, okay, double 3,000 sales that I count, which it's 207,000. But how you know it's actually 3,000? You just go down and see additional 350, all right? Another 200, 300. This is the same product that make a lot of sales online. So guys, if you don't know me, also I want to show you additional metric inside Facebook ads that a lot of people actually sold the same product. This product is problem solution product. Now, if you don't know how to find trending products, I'm showing exactly my method in my school community, and you will get a list of free converted products inside my community that I insert on 25th of December. And if you don't know me yet, I made over $19 million in the internet, and I want to show you exactly my method, how I do that on a daily basis, and I give you all the products and teach you how to open a Shopify store in less than 10 minutes. Okay, want to show you inside.